everyone, and welcome to yet another Epic Cosplay tutorial. Today I will be working with a NYX wig from Epic Cosplay Wigs in Fusion Vanilla Pink for the character 02 from the popular anime Darling in the Franxx, which is available on Crunchyroll and Funimation if you have not seen it yet. Alrighty, let's get started. So this is actually a fairly simple wig. We're going to start by putting it on a wig head. As always, I like to use a male head instead of a female because it's a little bit bigger. And then you're going to pin all the way around the hairline of the wig. Next, you're going to brush it out because those long wigs like to get nice and tangled, although this Epic Cosplay wig has not really gotten very tangled at all in all of the time I've been using it so far. You are then going to take a hairdryer on the hottest heat setting, but a low airflow, and smooth out any messy bits at the ends of the hair so that it's all nice and smooth and straight. Then you're going to section out the hair that you're going to want for the bangs, and you're going to trim it down to the length that you want. I have secured the sides of the wig off so that I don't get it mixed up in the bangs, and then I am smoothing it down with a hairdryer again on the hot hair setting and a low temperature. You can see here I'm measuring from my hairline to the bottom of the bangs to figure out about how long I want that hair in the front to be. I'm trimming it to the approximate length, and then I'm actually getting the final length that I want for the bangs by cutting the hair with my scissors going up and down rather than side to side. That's going to give me a bit more organic, natural, relaxed of a cut rather than just a blunt bang. And then it's also going to help me kind of control the length of that hair just a little bit better. So I'm just going to keep on doing that, and once I have it to the length and shape that I want, I'm going to hit it with some hairspray and some more heat from that hairdryer to guide the bangs into the shape and direction that I want. I'm then going to take the sides of the hair down, and I am going to section out the bit of hair that's going to hang in the front once the wig is completed. And I'm going to take the little bit of hair underneath that, and I'm going to pull it back, and then I'm just going to take a bobby pin and I'm going to secure it to the actual wig cap. I'm going to pull the hair in the front out just a little bit so it looks really nice, hit it with a little bit of hairspray, and then move on to the other side. Again, sectioning out the hair that I'm going to want to hang down once I'm done, and then pulling the little bit underneath it back and securing it with a bobby pin into the wig cap and pulling that hair back down over it. Now I'm going to figure out where I want my little headband to sit. Now I want mine to be removable, so I'm actually going to do it with snaps. So the way I'm going to do this is secure one end of the snaps to the underside of the headband. And then I'm going to put the headband on my head, figure out where I want it to sit, and I'm going to take pins to mark where the snaps are sitting on the wig cap. Once I have those pins in, I'm actually going to pull the wig off of the wig head, and then I am going to take some more hot glue and I am going to glue the other side of the snap into the actual wig cap, making sure that it is facing out of the wig cap so that it will be able to meet up with the headband later on. Now I have the female side of my snap on the inside of my wig cap. So once it has been secured, I'm going to have to bring it back over, find where that snap is, and then I'm just snipping a little hole in the wig cap and in the wig fibers so that I will be able to get the snaps in. Once you have those snaps secured into your wig cap and on your headband, you're going to snap it on, you're going to put it back on the wig head and brush out any flyaway hairs, and you are done! Have fun saving the world as 02. If you follow any of the steps in this tutorial, please feel free to tag myself and Epic Cosplay Wigs at Epic Cosplay and at Angi Viper on social media. Make sure to check out epiccosplaywigs.com for all of your cosplay wig needs. As always, thank you so much for watching, and thank you very much to my patrons. You all make everything I do possible.